I am Joey Larilla, the gaming and multimedia editor of Inquirer.net, and I'm interviewing right now here in Plantation Bay, Captain Passion of IPE Games, the Philippine publisher of RAN Online. Ed, could you tell us, could you give your full name and your designation for our viewers?
Hi, I am Ed Passion, the marketing director of IPE Games Philippines.
I guess that's why they called you Captain Passion.
Unfortunately, yes, but in terms of marketing these days, I basically try to communicate with people of what is new and what is upcoming for IPE Games Philippines.
So you had that interesting presentation earlier about the RAN Calendar Girls. Could you tell us how you came up with this concept and what was the idea behind it?
Well, it's a brainstorming between us, management, and the staff, and with definitely our gamers. Most of the gamers call up, why sending messages, emails, asking about events and what's next or what's upcoming for the next month. And most of these calls were growing in number, and we decided one day, in one of those meetings, that why don't we come up with a calendar wherein we will have special events, come up with a full year program for our gamers. And of course, we want our calendar to be very functional. Not only, of course, we will have our RAN girls to come up with us, but we also want our RAN girls to be the ambassadors of RAN Online. And all of the girls in the RAN calendar are basically ambassadors. They have characters, whether they're shamans or they're archers. And whenever they go around, they help us out in our icons and try to promote the game. And with the calendar, with beautiful girls in the calendar, and have in-game items, I guess it was a perfect formula, and it worked wonders for us.
How easy was it to decide which girls you were going to ask to post for the calendar?
Well, there was a selection process. We had to make sure that the girls that we were dating are real online gamers. They knew RAN Online. They were once a PS player, PlayStation player, a console player, and we made sure we had an interview process. It was a month and a half interview process, and from those 1.5 months, we had roughly around 100 people that we interviewed, and we narrowed it down to 12 beautiful ladies who are very intellectual and who loves RAN Online, and that's the most important thing.
How long did it take to do the photo shoot? It was in Boracay, I believe, right?
Yes, it was in Boracay. It was the photo shoot was 3 days. We basically tried to lay out based on the personality of the RAN calendar girl. We had a particular setting. So the RAN calendar girl loves, for example, to bike, like Jocelyn Oxley. And we had to shoot with her with the bike. And what we want to show here basically is that RAN gamers are not only geeks or people who are hiding in their closet or hiding in their room and playing computer, but these are active people who have an active lifestyle. And one way to show it is our RAN girls, and these girls are very active in terms of extracurricular activities, modeling, and they love playing RAN.
So speaking of functional, you give away the calendars to those who buy the 1,000 peso card, I believe?
Yeah, that's correct, Joey. For you to avail of the calendar, you basically have to buy our 1,000 peso card. And with the 1,000 peso card, you get the first track on our in-game events. We also have special events that are exclusive for those who buy the 1,000 peso card. So we have PK system, we have special events for them in-game. And we also give them special hats so that whenever they come out, they know that these gamers are the ones that have a 1,000 peso card. So if you're in RAN Online right now, if you're online, the ones with a battle helmet, those are our people who bought our RAN calendar.
Thank you very much, Ed, Captain Passion, and hope to interview more in the future.
Thank you, Joey.
Thank you.